happening? It's Cody, back with another automation. Today what we're going to do is we're going to utilize the assistant that we created inside of NAN, and we're going to send a message which is going to populate into a Google Sheet. We're going to take that message, we're going to create a script using Perplexity, we're going to create a caption and a title using ChatGPT, and then what we're going to do is that script is going to automatically get sent over to HeyGen, and it's going to utilize one of the avatars that we have in our HeyGen account to then create a video based on the script from Perplexity, which originates from the message that we originally sent to our assistant inside of NAN. Let's get started. All right, so as you can see, I got my my assistant up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, please send a message to an Dr. Avatar saying we are doing 2 new areas. So please send a message to Dr. Avatar saying we are delivering 2 new areas. I'm going to go ahead and send that. Should come back with a message saying that it was successful. And then basically what that's going to do is, yeah, we are delivering 2 new areas. It's been sent to Dr. Avatar. So what that's going to do is it's going to run through the process and it's going to come out with something like this.
Look no further than CC Delivery. With our app, you can easily schedule your green deliveries 7 days a week, whether you're a medical or recreational customer. Plus, get free swag when you sign up.
And as you can see, we got the caption here. All right, all the information. Got some redirects here too. Also got some relevant hashtags, which has to do with our caption. So that's basically the gist of what we're going to be doing. So let's go ahead and get started. So obviously you're going to have an account with Make. You can utilize the URL down in the description. I'd be very appreciative of that. Also, what you're going to do is you're going to have quite a few prompts too. So in the description, I'll create a Google Doc, and you're going to have all these prompts. So you have a Perplexity script prompt, which is going to take that message that you're originally sending in to the assistant, and it's just going to create an engaging script behind that. You also have a prompt to create a caption, and then you also have a prompt to go ahead and create a title for your video too. Inside of HeyGen, what you're going to do is you need to create an account for there. Utilizing the APIs, which having a Make integration, that's what it essentially does, is utilizes the APIs. So it gives you 10 free API calls to create videos, and then if you just create them manually, it's going to be about 3, I believe it gives you. So I'll include all of this in the in that description also. All right. So first thing that we're gonna have to do is create a new scenario. Click the blue dot, the blue plus sign in the middle, and you're gonna Google Sheets, watch for new rows. You're gonna wanna choose your sheet. I already created a sheet with this too, which I'll show you, and I'll show you the headers that I included on this sheet. And Dr. Avatar. Set the limit to 1. I just want it to be working on 1 request at a time. I don't want it to be creating multiple. Choose manually. What I'll do is I'll choose it manually, and obviously this is the message that we had just sent to our Google Sheet utilizing our assistant. So I'll just start from there, row number 2. We're gonna go ahead and save. Okay, so let me go into this. These are the headers that we're gonna utilize. So the headers that we have inside of our Google Sheet is gonna be a date, message, script, caption, video URL, and posted. All right, and now we can go back into our Make integration. So what we're going to do now is we are going to add a Perplexity node. If you don't have Perplexity already set up on Make, you're going to have to go ahead and create a Perplexity account and enter in your API information in order to be able to do this. So once you do that, we're going to create a chat completion. You could leave it on Sonar, the model's fine. Add messages, the content is going to be the script from our prompts. So you're going to want to go into the script, and what you're going to do is there's going to be a part in here that you're going to need to edit. So just copy and paste that. And again, this script is going to be a generic script that I provide to you. So you're going to have to tweak it. You can copy and paste the script, throw it into ChatGPT, and just say, basically change this script to have, whatever your business is or whatever it is that you're trying to do. So what we're going to do is right now, it says in the beginning, your task to create an scroll-stopping SEO-friendly 20-second monologue script for an AI avatar video using this message as the main point. And what we're going to do is we're going to delete this part, and then you're going to go back in and you're going to select the column B where it says message, and it's going to take that message that we originally sent into the Google Sheet, and it's going to take that message into account when creating this script. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Actually, role is going to be user. Max tokens, you can basically put, 2,222. Temperature, you can set the temperature to 1. It's all good. All right, cool. So now we're going to go and ChatGPT. We are going to create a completion. What this is going to do is create a caption off of the script that was generated. I've noticed it works a lot better than just creating a, you can do GPT-4o. But yeah, I noticed that creating a, instead of utilizing the message or something like that to create it, it's just a little bit better that it utilizes the script in order to create that caption. Just, makes a little bit more sense when it's creating it. So role, user, text context. Text content is obviously going to be the prompt. So we're going to go down here. You're going to go to where it says the ChatGPT caption prompt. Now this should automatically be entered into there, which should be just fine to. Then where the message is going to output for Perplexity is going to be in the message section. It's going to be in this choice right here, but it's already entered into this into that prompt text, so you shouldn't have any issues with copy and pasting. So we're just going to go ahead and save that, and then we're going to do another OpenAI, create a completion, and this is going to be for creating the title. So the model 4.0, do that. We're going to go back over to the document. We're going to grab the prompt to create the title. Add a message, role is going to be a user. Copy and paste. As you see, the results flowed in quite nicely too, so we shouldn't have any issues with those. We're going to go ahead and save that. Alright, so now we're going to enter in the HeyGen node. HeyGen node is going to be create an avatar video. We're going to have to set this up. So the title of the video is going to be taken from the last node of the ChatGPT. We're also going to, so the video inputs, you're going to want to expand that to character settings. You're going to go to avatar. I already have the HeyGen profile, already have avatars built out, but I'm going to use a generic avatar from HeyGen, which is going to be the Ann Doctor avatar. So what I can do right now is I can do Ann Doctor sitting is what I'm going to utilize. And then what we're also going to be doing is going to be text type is audio. Actually, the text type is going to be text. So voice settings, voice type is going to be text. The voice ID, you're going to have to pick one of the ones that they have generically inside of HeyGen, or once you create an avatar, it's also going to create an audio for you. But I'm going to use Ann. We'll use Ann Professional. The input text, you're going to go back into the Perplexity node, the message, and you're going to do content. And that's just going to be the script that your avatar is going to read. So then I'm going to go ahead and save that. So then now what we're going to do is we're going to add a delay. So the delay is just going to be a tools and you're basically just going to go in and select sleep, and you're going to set this to 300. That's going to be the max 300 seconds. And then you can clone it, duplicate it, right? Because we're going to do 2 300-second delays on this, which is basically going to allow, once HeyGen has all this information, is creating the video, this is going to take time to create the video, right? Depending on the length of the video. So I like to put 2 of these in there just in case, because obviously if this workflow was to proceed without the video being created, then it would just break the workflow, because the goal is to obviously post that video. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the video back from HeyGen. So we're going to get the video and the video ID. We should be able to map it. All right, map video ID is going to be from this create an avatar HeyGen. So we're going to go ahead and save that. We're going to go back into the tools. We're going to set a variable. The variable is going to be date. And then what we're going to do is you're going to click this little calendar at the top. You need to utilize makes functions to be able to do this, functions and variables, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to set date, and after the first parenthesis, what you're going to want to do is click this variable section, click now, and then save it. What that's going to do is just going to allow it to have the date of today. It's going to post it to our Google Sheet so we can get confirmation that these videos are actually posting. And now what we're going to do is from here, we're going to go and set a router. The router is going to be routed to Google Sheets. We're going to update a row. Look for that Google Sheet that you originally created. And doctor, the row number that we're going to start from is going to be this section. So on roll number, you're going to scroll all the way down to the Google Sheets node, and you're going to click row number. And then what you're going to do is the date is going to be the date from that variable that you just sent. The message you don't have to fill in, because the message is going to come from NAN, our assistant. The script is coming from the choices and the message section of Perplexity. The caption is going to be coming from the first result of OpenAI. The video URL is going to be generated by HeyGen. Posted, we are just going to say yes. So what that's going to do is that's going to have all the relevant information inside of our Google Sheet, which is going to update, and it's going to leave a text of yes for posted, which is going to show us that we have successfully created this post and the video. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And then we're going to go ahead and do Facebook. And what you're going to do is we are going to create a video. Where is this? Why am I not seeing this? Create a post, get reactions, upload a video. Okay, we're going to upload a video, and then we're going to the page. You're going to obviously select your page. I'm going to select one of my pages. You're going to want to take the type from upload a video to download a video from a URL. Then what you're going to want to do is in the URL section, you're going to want to grab the HeyGen node video URL and put that in the section. And then in description, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and utilize the caption, the message from ChatGPT's creating the caption. So we're going to go into that first OpenAI node, and we're going to go into message and go into content, click content, and that's going to be included in the description of the post to Facebook. So then we're going to save this. All right. And then basically what we're going to do is we can go ahead and run this once. So as you can see, this is running now. And I'm going to be back with this video because it's going to take some time, but I will come back and show you what we have created. So everything just completed. I'm back in the Google Sheet, and as you can see, this was the message that we originally sent. This was the script that was created for us. Posted, yes. Yeah, so caption, script, caption, hashtags, redirects, some questions, and it was posted. And then if we want, we could also go into HeyGen. This was the video that was actually posted and created based on that message that we originally sent from our NAN assistant.
Want safe, discreet delivery for all your needs? With CC Delivery, you can order securely through our easy-to-use app, perfect for both medical and recreational customers. Simply sign up to get it.
Yeah, I mean, so that's pretty much it. I mean, hopefully you guys found that useful. Let me know if there's any issues. Drop it in the in the comment section, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Pretty much get back to everyone that does message on there too. So I hope you find this useful. I hope it does work for you, and it's actually very, very, very cool to be able to do this, right? If you want to be able to give a notice about delivering to new areas, expanding a new product, and you're the face of your business and you want to be the one to send that message, but you don't have time to set up a camera, to write a script, and to actually do it. I mean, sometimes when I do these videos, I have to do take cuts, and I mess up and I say something wrong or I look wrong. So it definitely does help to be able to create a standard avatar. And what I like to do is create these avatars in different environments. So they're all of me. One might be outside, one might be in front of a whiteboard, one might be in front of a computer, and that's just basically how I do it, So then I just message that specific avatar based on if I want to be talking outside, right? Then I just message that specific avatar, and then that avatar is the one that's going to be, speaking on the video. So I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again.